Pre-K. We're going to talk about our community. Our community means the place we live, like our neighborhood. Other places in our community are like our school, grocery stores, the library, the post office, places you go that are around where you live. That's called your community. So we're going to read a book about our community. And this says, I'm going to get in front of here. It says, "Hi, my name is Mark. I live here." So that's his house. My house is on Wesley Street. Here's the name of it that says Wesley Street. I live in a town. My cousins live in the city. So where it's really busy and lots of cars and lots of people and places close together is more like a city, like Dallas. And then a town is a little bit further out. My town is in a state. Do you know what state we live in? Did some of you say Rowlett or Garland? No, those are our cities, but our state is Texas. Everybody say Texas. Good. This is the shape of Texas. And he's saying my town is in a state called Texas. And you and I live in Texas. Rowlett, Texas, Garland, Texas, Sachse, Texas. My state is part of a country called the United States of America. And all of our 50 states are here in the United States. Texas is right down here. That's a big one. My country is on a continent. All the continents are the planet Earth. Yep, that's what our planet's called. Oh my goodness. The Earth is part of the universe. It's getting bigger and bigger, isn't it? We started with our little community and now we're all the way to the universe. Where do you live? Well, we talked about where we live. We live in Texas too, in Rowlett, Texas, or Garland, Texas, or Sachse, Texas. I'm trying to think if I'm missing any. It says, I live here. That's the name of his street. This one's in a town. He lives in a town. His cousins live in the city. The state is Texas. The country is the United States of America. And then we have the continent, planets, and the universe. Planets are in the universe. The end. So, we are all a part of our community. Boys and girls, I want to talk about syllables. That's a new word I don't think we've talked. We have in class, but we haven't talked very much about syllables. Say that word with me. It's a new word. Syllable. Syllable. That's how many parts are in a word. So if I have the word elephant, it would be elephant. Can you clap that with me? Elephant. How many claps did we do? Elephant. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. So elephant has 3 syllables or 3 claps. So have your mommy or daddy help you with your name. If your name is Jennifer, you would do Jennifer. Jennifer. 1, 2, 3. 3 claps, 3 syllables or 3 parts. How about the word giraffe? That would be giraffe. How many claps was that? Giraffe. That was 2. Just 2 parts or 2 claps. Okay, how about the word circle? Ready? Clap it with me. Circle. Let's do it one more time. Circle. How many parts did that have? Or how many claps? 1, 2. Circle. 1, 2. Just 2. Good. How about the word big? Now remember, if I say I have a big brother, I didn't say I have a big, because sometimes my friends do big. That's not how we say big. We just say big. How many claps was that? Big. Just one. Big just has one part or one syllable. Let's do the word alligator. Can you do that one with me? Get your hands ready. You ready to clap? Alligator. Alligator. How many claps was that? Alligator. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was 4. Good. How about purple? Ready? Purple. One more time. Purple. How many claps was that? Just 2. Purple. 1, 2. That was 2 claps or 2 syllables. So purple just has 2 syllables, 2 parts. How about the word ball? Ready? Now remember, we don't say ball, we just say ball. So that would be ball. That would just be 1. Good job. Ball. Right. That's just one clap or 1 syllable. Only 1 part. Okay. Let's do the word candy. Ready? Ready to clap it with me? Candy. Candy. One more time. Candy. One more time. Candy. 1, 2. So it has 2 parts, 2 syllables. Good job. So practice some words. Have your parents or your brothers and sisters tell you some words and see if you can figure out how many syllables or parts that it has. Good job, guys. Okay, let's do some singing.